Once again, welcome back to Harshni's View. Today, in this video, I'm going to talk about 7 most simple tricks to lose belly fat in just 5 days. One of the toughest things is to reduce belly fat. Keeping hale and healthy is the primary motive for everyone. We should eat to live, not live to eat. Food should be a medicine for healthy metabolism. When taken on limits, if consumed more than required, can cause adverse effects to our body. Belly fat is considered to be the most annoying and confusing thing for most of us. Most of the fat content gets accumulated in the abdominal area. This issue has to be addressed immediately or else it may lead to life-threatening disease. To have a slim or structured waist within 5 days, then follow these steps to achieve much faster. Reduce carb intake. Energy giving food is rich in carbohydrates. Adding carbohydrates to your daily diet is very important as they are converted into glucose. Our body gets instant energy with this nutrient. In order to reduce your belly fat, the amount of carbs intake should be taken into consideration. Add fewer carb food to your diet to avoid fat accumulation. Mini meals frequently. Increase the frequency of intake and reduce the quantity of food that can prevent belly fat. This can increase your digestion process and prevents the load on your stomach. These low calorie meals should be preferred for easy digestion. To see a visible change in your tummy fat, then follow this food pattern. The next one is eat low calorie foods. To see a flat belly within a short span of time, then go for low calorie foods. Follow a daily chart to manage your calories throughout the day. The calories in food are absorbed by our body and stored as fat if not burned properly. If you're keen on reducing your belly fat, then take vegetable salads, fruits, soup, low fat foods, etc. can show a vital change in your body. The next one is ample water intake. Water is a perfect detoxifier for your internal system. It flushes out the harmful pathogens and keeps them clean. Drink water before food can reduce your food intake. Water can easily wash out the fat from your belly, thereby reducing weight. Drinking water in the morning is the most effective way to start a fresh day. The next one is undergo workouts. Plan workouts that can specifically reduce the belly fats within 5 days. Make sure that your body responds properly and does not lead to any side effects. Walking and jogging for an hour in the morning and evening is the best and simple way. Go swimming if you're already trained. Aerobics is one right option for an instant reduction in weight. Other exercises like planks, lifting weights, pilates can aid in losing weight. The next one is good sleep. Do we have quality sleep for 7 to 9 hours? If this is achieved, then your body can respond to any type of change. Fix up your bedtime and wake up time. Keep away gadget an hour before sleep. Have dinner 3 hours before dinner. Take a stroll in the night for effective sleep. Follow this to achieve your goal of reducing belly fat. The next one is minimizes stress levels. Our mind and body coordination are very important to get rid of any acute problems. If your mind is calm and relaxed, then your body responds positively. Stress can be due to lifestyle changes, pressure from your workspace or family circumstance. This can lead to weight gain. Find out the root cause and follow the right way of living. If you really like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you all. See you. Bye bye. Tata. Take care.